there's some things to be aware of during the vendor selection process, right? If your vendor's telling you that automation will solve for governance, I think that should be a red flag for you. 'Cause I don't know that that's the case, right? If there's no discussion at all around the ownership of your data or relevant processes, again, probably another red flag. Vendors that focus a lot on just the features and not on the outcomes, again, I think there should be some concern there. You should want to dive a little bit deeper. And then one of the ones that I think we hear a lot, especially here, is around data models, right? If the vendor, as part of the vendor selection, if there's a piece of software out there that has a very rigid data model that you need to bend your processes around just to make it work, I think you need to dive a little bit deeper, and probably same with respect to integration, right? You're going to want to integrate your systems, kind of your ecosystems of technology together to support your processes and your people.